we are a video content and strategy company. Our name is Real Stories, and we are an all-female team, which I think is amazing. And I think that adds just a little bit of extra flair to anybody's content. Yeah, so we create compelling stories. We use a lot of storytelling in our video just to be able to take our clients' content to another dimension. Yeah, so that's who we are. WTM, I think, for the last 7 years. And every year I come and I learn more. The workshops and the talks are so informative. Like, I would really suggest that you take some time to attend some of these workshops and talks, because they are a wealth of knowledge from people who understand what needs to be done at these events to build your business. And so I think it's so important, whether you're a small business, whether you're a big business, to just be involved in learning. Learning is the key word here. We all need to learn from each other. Best strategy, best marketing, how we operate and how we can better operate. So I think WTM provides that platform for everybody.